Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex. I am currently 8 months pregnant with my second baby boy. I have a 2-year-old son named Julian, and this one is going to be here in just a couple weeks. I'm filming this at 34 weeks, but I think I'm posting it at 35. So we are getting down to the wire. I thought, what a perfect time to film a morning routine. I always love sharing my routines, but especially pregnant because I feel like it's a great time to do a little more self-care, but I also wanted you guys to see the real deal routine. So you are seeing everything that I do in the morning with my son, with my pregnancy, with getting ready for work, all that. So basically I'm going to back up and bring you to this morning when I woke up around like 7:30 and show you my complete routine. A portion of this video is sponsored by T3. You guys know I absolutely love their hair tools, and today I have a new blow dryer to share with you guys, so we'll get to that in a little bit. But if you are excited for this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe because baby is coming in just a couple weeks. Here comes the sun, but baby's coming in just a couple weeks, and I want you guys to be subscribed so you don't miss out when we upload new videos. I have a nursery tour planned, I have a newborn haul planned, I have like so many different things planned, and then obviously once he's here we'll do like a baby reveal and a name reveal and all that. So make sure to subscribe, and let's go ahead and back up to when I woke up earlier this morning. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my living room. Every morning starts off the same. We play with toys, we play with cars, and we just chill and hang out as a family, drink our coffee, eat our breakfast. Julian really wanted to show you guys his car today. He is very proud of it. He's definitely in a big cars phase right now. So cute in the morning. I am starting my day with some water. It's been one of my goals for the new year to drink a half gallon of water every day, and I just got this really cool water bottle. I will link it below, but it's a half gallon water bottle and it has timestamps so you know exactly how much to drink throughout the day, and it really like helps you to keep going. I love it, so I'll make sure to link it for you guys. I made Julian a quick breakfast. So in the mornings, Michael and I usually take turns. So he already went ahead and got ready. Now it's my turn to get ready. That's just how we've always done it. We just take turns hanging out with him in the morning. So here I am in the bathroom. Normally I take showers at night, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you guys my complete routine. So I washed my hair, did the whole thing. Now I'm putting on some skincare, you guys. My skin has been through it this pregnancy. When I was pregnant with Julian, my skin was like flawless, but I did have like body acne, and then this pregnancy my body has been fine, but my skin on my face has just really been through it. So still dealing with breakouts, dealing with redness. You can't use too many like acne fighting products when you're pregnant, so afterwards I will, and hopefully get my skin back to normal. But for now, I do love this lotion. I will link it below. It's like a green tone, so it camouflages redness. I've been using it every morning, drinking my water. And then we're gonna move on to some body care. So as you guys can tell, I love this bio oil. I've gone through quite a few bottles. I put this on every morning and night on my bump, kind of all over, anywhere that gets stretched during pregnancy. I make sure to load up on lots of moisturizer and body oil. This one's my favorite like lotion at the moment from Necessaire. I will link all the products I'm using down below. My current hair care routine is really simple. I apply an oil for some moisture. I do a mousse at my roots for lots of volume. And then I go in with like a spray that protects your hair from heat and also adds a little bit more moisture. I brush everything out with a wide tooth comb. And then I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the new dryer. This is called the Fit Dryer from T3. So this new dryer is 30% smaller than like a full-size blow dryer. It makes it great for small spaces, really easy to store. This one has 2 speed settings and 3 heat settings. So I just love how lightweight it is. It's also really easy to hold, really easy to use. You guys can see me using it here. So I was really surprised actually the first time I used it. This thing has some power. So even though it's a lot more like small and compact than a full-size dryer, it packs that power like a full-size dryer would. It actually has a technology called the T3 Ion Air, and this is made to dry your hair really quickly and also give you smooth, soft, and shiny results. So I've just been a huge fan of T3 in general for years, but especially their blow dryers. They're just the best ones I've ever tried.
Okay,
We both have our tie-dye on. Can you give me a kissy on the cheek?
Rainbows.
You got rainbows?
Yes, look.
Oh, I love your rainbows.
You like the rainbows?
You like my rainbows?
Yeah, my rainbows are pink.
I love you. Okay, I'll be out in just a couple minutes, okay? My little visitor came in to say hello, but I will make sure to link the T3 Fit dryer down below in the description box. It's great if you like live in a smaller space or you just want something more compact. As you guys can tell, it makes your hair super soft and shiny. It gives me tons of volume. I do round brush my hair using the T3 round brush, and pregnancy flyaways are a thing, so I love to spray those down. But link down below for the Fit dryer from T3. Heading into my bedroom, Michael and I take turns making the bed every day. It just depends on who gets in there and does it first, but I'm opening all of our curtains. We are so particular about how we make our bed. I sped this up for the sake of the video, but it takes me about 15 minutes every morning because I'm just so particular about making it look perfect. Our bedroom is really simple, so the bed is like the focus. If you guys want to see a tour, I did a full like complete bedroom tour so you guys can see where everything's from. I'll link it below. But we actually went ahead and put my rocker from when I had Julian down here in my bedroom so that I can use it once the baby's here. We're going to set up the bassinet in here, and that is my foot massager. It is key if you are pregnant or not. I will link it below. And then we're going to do a quick little makeup routine. I will link everything down below, starting off with some primer from Charlotte Tilbury and then the It Cosmetics CC cream. It's one of my go-to like everyday foundations, and I'm just about out, so I'm trying to like finish up this tube, but I love it because it feels really lightweight and skin-like, but it gives you great coverage. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. Definitely need this for my under eye circles, covering up any scars and redness. This is like full coverage. I love it. I'm also using a new sponge too that I've been loving. Laura Mercier translucent powder to set everything. This is just like my 5-minute routine that I do on days when I have to work and film, but I don't want to wear too much makeup. Just taking a brush and putting some powder all over. This bronzer from L'Oreal is a new favorite of mine. It's so pigmented. It really reminds me of my Charlotte Tilbury one. And then this blush is from Lawless. I love the color. It's so pigmented and pretty. Just gives you a fresh look. And then I go in with my brow pencil from Benefit and my brow gel. I brush through my lash extensions, and then to finish off, I do some lips as well. I always have to make sure I wipe off all the foundation or powder that's on my lips so they're really clean and like smooth. It's kind of a way to exfoliate them. This is Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and then like a Pillow Talk lip balm that they just came out with. It was actually my first time trying it. I thought it was a little dark, but it felt really good, so I left it on. So here is the outfit that I picked out for today. This sweatshirt is from that same Etsy shop that I found the robe at. I just think it's so cute. I got a matching one for the baby with his name on it, and then you guys saw Julian has his little tie-dye sweatsuit that he's wearing today. So we are a tie-dye family. So I just threw this on because I just got it. I haven't worn it yet. With some sweatpants. I think these are from Vichy. And then my favorite rainbow slippers. These are from Amazon. I love them. They're so cozy and soft, and that is the look of the day. This is what I'm wearing. Normally I make my coffee first thing in the morning, but I was waiting for our groceries to be delivered. I love these pods. They are Starbucks Nespresso pods. Julian is always like so concerned making sure we get our coffee in the morning, and today he wanted to help me make my cup of coffee. It was like the cutest thing ever. But look at this mug. I will link this down below too. So cute. Who is that on the mug?
I like that.
Juju?
Juju.
Here, hold on. Yep. You did it all on your own.
Wow.
Really good job. Okay, that's perfect. Thank you. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed spending the morning with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. The countdown is on. I'm gonna have tons more like exciting, getting ready for baby, nesting videos coming over the next few weeks until he gets here, and then we'll do a baby reveal. So make sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on, follow me on Instagram. That's where I share daily. And also big shout out to T3. Thanks so much to them for sponsoring a portion of today's video. video. I will have a link to the new dryer down below in the description box so you guys can check it out, and I will see you next time. Bye.